How to change centimeters to inches in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, I am going to share with you how to change the measurement units in PowerPoint from centimeters to inches. The other day, I was creating a line journal for Amazon KDP within PowerPoint, and I was facing difficulty to create margins for that because the measurement toward the top and toward the sidebar was in centimeters instead of inches. As per KDP, we need to set margin for 0.375 inches toward the inner side and 0.25 for the outer side, and from top 0.25 and from bottom 0.25. But due to the measurement units in centimeters, I was facing difficulty in creating them. How I fix this and how I change this to inches from centimeters in this video I am going to share with you. First of all, I thought that it should be very simple, and you can go here on the files and within the options there might be an option to change from cm to inches, but I couldn't find that in the settings of PowerPoint itself. Rather, it was the settings of your computer. So first of all, I went to file here, then I went to options. Let me scroll here, options. Then I searched for something to change from centimeters to inches within PowerPoint. Then I went to save options, and here I couldn't find anything to do like that. So then I did a little bit research on Google and found a way to change this. To do that, first of all, you need to close PowerPoint here. Just close it, don't save, and then you can go here to the control panel. I am using Windows 10. The option may vary a bit. If you are not seeing these little icons, you may see this category. You can go here on the category and change to small icons. And from here you can go to the region section, and here you can go to the additional settings, and from additional setting just go here measurement system, and this is in metric. If this is set to metric, the measurement within PowerPoint will show centimeters. Just you need to do is just change it to US and then apply. Okay. Now our measurement system is in US, and reopen the PowerPoint, it should show in inches. So let's open PowerPoint. Now as you can see here, now this is into inches because this document is 8.5 inches, and you can see here this side is from 0 to 4.25 and from 0 to 4.25, and it is equal to 8.5. And this height of this document is this is the midpoint 0, this is 5.5, and this is 5.5, 11 inches. So this document was 8.5 into 11 inches, and I was unable to see the measurement in inches. So I went to the control panel on the Windows 10, and under the region section I changed the additional settings as I showed you here, the region, and then from the additional settings I changed the measurement system to, before it was set to metric and it was showing the centimeter, I changed it to US and then hit apply. So by doing this a little change in the measurement system, the centimeters measurement has been changed from centimeters to inches within PowerPoint. Now I can easily create interiors for Amazon KDP and set margins. I think this is with bleed. I need to change it to something like with no bleed to actually see this should be 5 with no bleed interior. This should be 11. So now I can easily show you how to set the margin. So this is 4.25. I need it to set it to 3.75 here, and so I am leaving a 0.5 inch margin here, half inch margin, and then I need to leave another margin. Hover over there and control, and we can set it to 4.25. We can set it to 4 exactly. This is our outer margin. Similarly, I can hold control and drag this and set it to exactly, this is 5.5. I can set it to 5.25 here, and then holding the control key and dragging, I can set it to there is already a margin here, so let's remove this first. 4.25 here. Okay, now we are done with our margins. Now I can easily create interior here. So this was a quick video for you to change centimeters to inches within Microsoft PowerPoint. Watch my next video, which is all about finding low competition keywords. This is step-by-step process, and you don't need to buy any software to do that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.